Well, good evening. It's Megan, and I'm going to take a few minutes of describing the tool that I decided to pick, which is obviously Quizlet that you can see on the desktop. And keeping with the same theme that I have the previous badges is animal management. So I know personally I really enjoy utilizing the Quizlet tool basically because I can take like the study guide that teachers give me and put like the question in one area. So like down here, I'm going to show you. Um, uh, this is like, let's say this is the term, obviously, space, and then when you flip it, it gives you like the actual definition. So I think that's very beneficial as a student because it's right here at your fingertips that you can do, and you don't have to write it out, obviously. And you can like play different games, so like matching games. It allows you so like start games. You can like put things with like something that matches, and it allows you to kind of oh, um, see what you need to learn and what you already kind of know and where you need to like prioritize of where you need to study the most and stuff like that. So I think that's really helpful. And also like it allows you to like do it on your own. So this is your way of reviewing information or like keeping up with information. So it kind of is on you as a student whether or not you are getting the material that you need and getting things accomplished that are going to allow you to be successful. So this is a little bit about Quizlet, and you can make it for anything. So I'm going to show you how you just go up here, create, and so let's say animal management again, just to show you. And then you'll just hit here, create, and then it says you need at least 2 cards to have like a study set, I guess. So like down here, let's say term, like then you'd put what term the definition is. So that's kind of like the neat thing that you can set it up any way you want. You can put just the one word over here, or you can put the definition and then put over here what the word is. So that's kind of neat too. And then you can put also graphs within this. So you can put like a picture with it, add image, upload your own image. So that's really neat too. Like if it's like for a certain class that you need to label things, you can put a picture that corresponds with that diagram. So that's kind of the neat thing about Quizlet. So yeah, that's a little spiel about that.